Okay, ikinabahala ng China ang panatili ng missile system ng US na nasa lawag. Missile system na to ay pwedeng kabitan ng SM-6 at saka Tomahawk. Tomahawk na long range and unmanned.
The decision of the MDB, SEB, yung Mutual Defense Board, yan ang mayroong say dyan, and there will be consultation. But for now, we need the what you call the Typhoon missile launcher for our training and capability upgrading ng ating armed forces. Kailangan alam din natin kung paano mag-operate ito because in the future, ito yung mga equipment na gusto natin mag-procure.
Wala nito ang Typhoon missile system ng US. Okay, makikita nyo yun yung itsura ng Typhoon missile system ng US. High-tech ito kaya ito kinatakutan ng China. By extended range anti-air warfare, so providing capability against fixed and rotary wing aircraft. Man din ito so hindi kailangan may taong command sa kanya, no? So computerized ito. Anti-ship cruise missile in flight both over sea and land, and terminal ballistic missile defense
are within our horizon. Yes. For acquiring whatever will serve our deterrent purpose for our national defense. Of course, that is open for consideration.
Pero is it in Horizon 3? Not necessarily.
I cannot.
Pagsisikap nito ng ating bansa ay para malabanan natin pambubuli ng China.